my draw Bitmoji and then all of its, functions within it. So the draw head, draw eyes, eyebrows, which draws the eyebrows, and then so on. And then I have the draw Bitmoji function right here, which encompasses all of these. Then I have a variable for X position, or an array for X position, Y position, and Bitmoji speed. And I set the number of Bitmojis to 50. So then for the first for loop, I have X position push, and then a random number between 3 and 350, and then same thing for Y, which gets the Bitmojis at a random X and Y position within 50 to 350. And then for Bitmoji speed, I have a random number between 1 and 2. Then for the draw function, I have a background, then another for loop, which draws the Bitmoji at Bitmoji X and Bitmoji, or at the X position and the Y position, and then the height is 50, which creates a Bitmoji of this size. Then I have X position plus the Bitmoji speed, which gets the changing or the different speeds between the different Bitmojis. And then right here I have the fill, a white color, and then the ellipse for the mouse X and mouse Y. So this follows the mouse and shows you where you're clicking. Then I have a mouse clicked function, and then in this I have a for loop, and then within the for loop I have an if statement, and then it pretty much has, so if mouse X is less than position, then the X position minus 30, and then it's, or it's greater than the X position minus 30, and then it's less than the Y X position plus 30, which gives it a 60 pixel radius. Same thing with the Y. I can click it, I can click a Bitmoji, and then that Bitmoji will move to Y position 500. And this, after all the Bitmojis are clicked, will create like a line of Bitmojis at Y position 500, moving them off screen.